Hi YouTube, this is my new Lego Gumball Machine. It's really small and it takes a nickel. You put in the nickel on the top and the gumball comes out. And to get the coin out, you just tip it over and the coin came out. And reload it, all you do is stick it in there. And no, you can't just lean it to get it out. You have to put in a nickel and it comes out the bottom. And I got the idea off Guitar 91. And inside the gumball is sitting on a tray. And when you put in the quarter, a lever, or it hits the lever, and the lever pushes off the gumball. Out, open it up, and try to get that. Okay, hold on. Alright. So inside, here, let me load it. The gumball is sitting on this tray. And when the nickel comes in, it touches that, which pushes it off. And that's all it does to get the gumball out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and rate this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.